Services Central allows you to submit support requests anytime and from anywhere in less than 3 minutes. This video will show you how to submit a support request via Services Central for the instruments and equipment that you have added to the platform. When you submit an instrument support request, it goes straight to a dedicated support team that can help you with your problem. To request instrument support, click on Request Instrument Support button in red, located on the top right of any screen within Services Central. Select the instrument for which you want to request support from the drop-down menu. Fill in the ticket information that is not already pre-populated. Fill in support request details. Attach related documents that you would like to share, such as images or data files that can help us quickly diagnose or identify the problem. Select Submit Request. Once your service request is in progress, you can see the status of your ticket under Support History. Visit thermofisher.com/servicescentral/login to get started.